So today we're going to play Play-Doh. Of course, with my Barbie. It is just a new toy. I got it. So first of all, do you like to make a soup? Alright, we're gonna make it. First of all, we're gonna get this pot. Oh no, it's empty. But we have to need this Play-Doh. Let's put it. But it's not red. I just don't know where is the color white cover just. And then we like the cover thing is like this one. But it must be needed to be white. So we're gonna put the soup in it. There we go. The soup. There you go. It's gonna be so yummy. But don't worry, guys. We have some spoon here. But it's not done yet. We're gonna have something like on it. Okay. So it's not a little bit done. I'm just gonna have a cover it for a little bit in this pot thing. Oh no, I just called this pot. It's like a really like a real soup, but it reminds me of a milk. Okay, so let's put it something like a. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have a cakey. Ooh. But we're gonna have to get it already. So here are some decorations, but it needs to be beads. It's beads. Alright. So I'm gonna put on it. Yoink. And yoink. And yoinky. And yoinky. And guys, I think this really need to be enough. Let's push it out. So look at I just made it. It's kind of like a face thing. So okay, we're gonna make it as let's cook it. After 5 minutes, now it's good. Alright, let's get it. There you go. Now we have it. Let's see if the soup is good. Oh guys, I think the soup is good. I can't wait to eat it. Just gonna I think guys it's a little bit funny. Look what just happened, no. Alright, let's try to my Barbie. Oh my god! I'm so excited to taste it. Try it, Barbie. Oh, I'm ready. Oh my god, it's so delicious. Ah! So delicious, can I have one? It's so really delicious. I really wanted this food now. Oh yeah, we just have this. This soup. Okay, let's tell this stupid Elda something. Oh, it's so fun. This is so really yummy. I really want one more. Okay, Barbie needs one more. Let's put it in some soup. get a soup. Do not eat. Ooh, this gross. I think it's better like this. There. Alright, here it goes. It's so delicious. Alright, I think I'm full now. Oh, I think Barbie is full now, guys. I think she needs some water. Oh yay, I need water. Oh guys, look. I found the water over there. We should get it. Oh guys, I think the water is over there. But you can't see it. Sorry guys. But Barbie's gonna get it. Just wait for a sec. Yes, just wait for a sec. I'm coming back. I'm here. Hey guys, this was absolutely a milk. Here is the things Barbie's got. Yeah, we need to keep them. We need to keep them. I'm gonna have water. Delicious. I'm just gonna put it here. So thanks for the channel, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Like for more and more videos coming up. Bye.